This aerial footage shows U.S. forces taking out hostile fighters who had fired on the helicopters during their approach. Armed with compound details and power in the skies, the commander in charge of the raid said U.S. forces moved in on Baghdadi's location.
He crawled into a hole with two small children and blew himself up while his people stayed on the ground. You can deduce what kind of person it is based on that activity.
This footage shows U.S. air power leveling the area after stripping data from the compound, taking two prisoners, and collecting Baghdadi's remains.
The way it looked afterwards, so it's pretty clear the success of the standoff munitions that we employed to ensure that it would not be a shrine or otherwise memorable in any way. It's just another piece of ground.
But the general cautioned Baghdadi's death isn't the end of Islamic State.
They will be dangerous. We suspect they will try some form of retribution attack. ISIS is first and last in ideology, so we're under no illusions that it's going to go away just because we kill Baghdadi.
The latest footage, a vivid display of U.S. determination to bring the terror group to justice. Carla Babb, VOA News, The Pentagon.